Hey, it's Lorna here, and in this video I am doing a makeup tutorial for this look. That's my before and after. So it's fabulous for people that have blue eyes and also anyone that has hooded eyes as well. This is a great look, so I hope you enjoy. Once you've finally completed all your eye primer, you go on and put on your face primer, and this gives your eye primer time to set before you put on your eyeshadows. I tend to just layer up the eyeshadow, so starting off with small amounts and just building up on it just gives that better flawless look. With the Sandalwood, which was the lighter colour that I went all over the eyelid, and it just gives it a more flawless look. So now I'm going for the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes with a darker colour, and this gives it a more smouldering look, and again it just, once it's all blended, it just gives our eyes a wee bit of definition. See, always going back in and blending, making it look as flawless as possible. So going back in again with my eyelid primer, I am going for the centre of the eye. I'm going to put a lighter colour in here just to make the eyes pop. Don't forget to take it up the sides of your ears and also down your neck as well, just so it's all blended nicely. I just topped up the inner corners of my eyeshadow just before I put my concealer on underneath my eyes. Concealer, I go back to my eyes just to make sure everything has set in place for the day. So here we go with the contouring, and I must admit I do love contouring as long as it is all blended perfectly. Love it! I usually go slightly over my lip line just to make them look a little bit fuller. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see how I created this wet look hairstyle, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Hope you have a good day.